Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So some of the comments that I've received regarding medical coding and non-certified freshers. See, due to the high competition outside, even when you attend an interview, you'll know the pain of it, how the competition outside to get a single job for a little number of posts, there is a high competition, huge people who are competing for. So if you are non-certified among thousands of the certified people, will they even count you between them? So certification has been the mandatory thing to do because that is been most common thing that is everyone are doing. If you are not doing a certification minimum of that which need to be done, that is a proof for medical coding, then that will be a lacking point in you. So what I prefer is to best do the certification, either CPC or CCS, whatever you are looking for to do medical coding. It is very hard to get a single job, so try doing a certification and get recognized by that, and try to compete in each and every interview that you go. That is very important. So for non-certified coders, what I recommend is at least try to do a certification and try to get a job, or there will only be some companies, only handful of companies where they will hire the non-certified freshers, in which the openings of that particular will be very very rare. If you're the person to wait for that long period, then you can be as a non-certified. But what I suggest from my end is to be a certified coder, so that that can be added advantage for your profile or in your resume, to show that that is a proof of medical coding. If you have any doubts, comment me in the pings. For more, do subscribe my channel.